Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to chrome wrap a bumper. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a heat gun, a good squeegee, and a reliable cleaning solution. Proper preparation is key, so thoroughly clean your bumper to ensure the vinyl adheres perfectly. Then, carefully measure your bumper's dimensions to cut your chrome vinyl with precision, leaving about 2 to 3 inches of extra material on all sides for trimming. This initial setup saves a lot of effort later on. Now, let's get to the application. Start by peeling back just about 1/4 of the vinyl's backing paper. Carefully align the chrome vinyl onto your bumper, ensuring it's straight and positioned correctly. Once aligned, slowly apply the vinyl, using your squeegee to smooth it out. Work from the center outwards, pushing any air bubbles towards the edges. Take your time here. A smooth application now means less trouble later. This step is crucial for a flawless finish. Next, we'll use heat to perfect the wrap. Gently warm the chrome vinyl with your heat gun. This makes it much more pliable and easier to work with. As the vinyl warms, carefully stretch and conform it around any curves, corners, or intricate edges of your bumper. Once it's perfectly shaped, use a sharp utility knife to trim away all the excess material, leaving a clean, professional edge. This step truly brings the wrap to life, giving it that custom, fitted look. Finally, let's put on the finishing touches. Take a moment to re-examine your entire bumper for any tiny air bubbles or small wrinkles you might have missed. Use your squeegee or even your thumb to gently push them out. Apply firm pressure to all the edges to ensure the vinyl is securely adhered. For the best results and longevity, allow your new chrome wrap to cure for at least 24 hours before its first wash. Enjoy your stunning, newly wrapped bumper.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.